Ever get tired of having your most visited pages glaring at you every time you open a new tab in Google Chrome? No worries, I've got you covered with a simple yet effective method to keep those revealing shortcuts out of sight. So, let's dive right in. First things first, fire up your Google Chrome browser on your PC. Now, once you're on the home page, click the Customize Chrome button located in the lower right corner of the screen. Next up, scroll down a bit until you reach the shortcuts section. Now, to bid farewell to those most visited pages, you have a couple of options. You can simply turn off shortcuts for this menu. Alternatively, you can opt for My Shortcuts instead of Most Visited Sites. And just like that, you won't have your most visited sites popping up in the shortcut section anymore. So, there you have it, folks. That's how you disable or hide those pesky most visited sites or pages shortcuts on your Chrome browser on your PC. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.